Revision 9 Price Elasticity of Supply. Price elasticity of supply will show us by how much the quantity supply will be changed for a change in price. It is defined as the measure of the responsiveness of quantity supply to a change in price. It is calculated as percentage change in quantity supply divided by percentage change in price and abbreviated as follows. The types of price elasticity of supply are price elastic supply, price inelastic, unitary elastic, perfectly elastic and perfectly inelastic. Price and supply has a positive relationship, so the answer will always be positive, and the answer will show you by how much the quantity supplied will change for a 1% change in price. Price elastic supply is where the percentage change in quantity supply is more than the percentage change in price. So for a change in price, the suppliers will respond more. The value is more than 1. It is shown by a shallow supply curve as shown here. And price inelastic supply is percentage change in quantity supplied is less than the percentage change in price. Despite of the price, the supply will not change much. Value is less than 1, shown by a steep curve. Factors determining elasticity of supply. As for elastic demand, we have certain factors which determine supply of a product, whether it's elastic or inelastic. Time taken to produce a product. If the time taken to produce a product is less, it will have price elastic supply, and if the time is more, it will have price inelastic supply. The cost of altering its supply. If the cost is less, it will have price elastic supply, and if it is more, it will have price inelastic supply. Feasibility of storing. If you can store a product for a long time, it will have price elastic supply, and if it can only be stored for a short time period, it will have price inelastic supply. For example, take t-shirts. The time taken to produce t-shirt is very less. Due to the machineries, you can produce it quickly, and cost of altering its supply. If the price is high, you can easily supply more of the product. You can use your spare capacity, spare machineries, and supply more of the product. So cost of altering the supply is also less, and you can store it for a long time. So t-shirts will have price elastic supply. And for price inelastic supply, for example, take agricultural products, farming products. These products will take more time to be produced. To cultivate, to farm, you take more time, and cost of altering its supply is also more. You can easily alter your supply. So the cost is also more, and it cannot be stored for a long time. Within a short time period, it will be spoiled. So only for a short time period you can store it. So this product, agricultural products, will have price inelastic supply. Other types of elasticities. Perfectly elastic supply. This is where there will be a complete change in supply for a slight change in price. Value is infinite, shown by a horizontal supply curve. Perfectly inelastic supply is where a change in price causes no change in supply. Even though you offer a high price, the supply cannot be changed. Value is 0, shown by a vertical supply curve. For example, take seats in a cinema hall. Even though you like to offer a higher price, the supplier cannot supply you more seats which is not available there. That is perfectly inelastic supply. An unitary elastic supply is where there will be an equal change in price and supply. Value is 1, shown by a straight line supply curve.